And so in practice test C of chapter 8, we're asked, suppose you flip a coin and then roll a number cube, or a die, I call it. What is the percentage of probability of getting a heads and then rolling a 4 right in a row? This is called two independent events, and the key word here is and. It would be really easy to say or. What my chance of flipping and getting either heads on a heads on a coin or rolling a 4. So that would be a little bit easier, but to get both of those things, I have to get a heads on my first flip of a coin and a 4 on my first roll of a die. Let me actually try it out. So I have to flip a coin and I have to get heads. So let's try it on my first time, and I failed. Oh, already I failed. So I'm going to try again. Another try. And it landed on tails again, foiled. This is heads, tails is on the bottom. Not a very good graphic. Tails a third time. I've tried 3 times and I failed. And tails a 4th time. Darn it. Let's come on, heads, come on, heads. Oh, I got a heads. Now, what are the chances now? To get it this time, I have to roll a 4. Let me try it. And I rolled a 6, so I didn't get it again. I've tried 5 times. I haven't gotten it. Let me try again here. What are the chances? I got to roll. I'm going to try again. Here's my trial. Tails, failed once. I haven't even gotten yet. I think that I've tried 6 times now. I have a heads. Now, for this trial, for me to get this, I have to roll a 4. Let's see. I did it. I actually did. It took like 7 times, so that's pretty cool. But what's the percentage probability? It took me about 7 times, so not really good. So what I have to do is figure out the probability of getting heads on a coin, flipping a coin. So I have 2 choices on flipping a coin. I could get heads or tails, so there's 2 possibilities. I have to get heads. So I have a 1 in 2 chance, 50-50 chance of getting heads on the coin. What are the chances of getting 4 on a die? Well, there are 6 sides to the die. So there's 1 4 on it. I have 1 in 6 chance. So I have a 1 in 2 chance of flipping a coin and getting heads, and then a 1 in 6 chance of rolling the die. But I have to do both those things. I have to get a heads and roll a 4. So a 1.5 chance, then a 1 in a 6 chance. So what the formula says for this is 2 independent events. I have to multiply the 2 probabilities together. So I have a 1 in 12 chance of actually getting that, and it took me 7. So I was on the lucky side. I got 7. So it's asking me to put this as a percentage. So I just divide the numerator by the denominator, and I get at 8.3%. Actually, I got a repeating decimal, but that rounds to 8.3%. That's my first example of independent events.